It's Miss Y for Maker Monday, and today I'm going to show you how to make an action puppet. Let's get started. Here's what you need: a toilet paper tube, single hole punch, scissors, markers, colored pencils will work too, Scotch tape, 3 bendy straws, and a scrap of paper. Start with the tape and straws. Here I have 1 blue straw and 2 reds. The blue represents the body, the reds represent the arms. Bend your straws like this. One arm goes this way, one arm goes that way. This short part represents the neck, these represent the arms. If I hold up the body, you can see where that's the neck, and these are the 2 arms, and that's the body. We're going to add some tape on the neck part. So carefully place all 3 of your straws like this and wrap the tape around the neck so that it's secure. You want them to be hugging each other, but still have the body going down the middle and the arms on each side. You'll probably need 2 pieces of tape to make sure it's secure. You'll notice that the blue straw stays straight. It doesn't need to bend at all. Now you can see it coming to life. I noticed that the arms are way too long. Let's decide how long you want your arms to be. Go ahead and trim them now. Now we need to punch 2 holes in our TP tube. One goes on the very side, and another hole goes on the opposite side. This represents where the arms are going to go through when we assemble our puppet. Think of these holes as the shoulders. Squish your tube down very lightly so that it's easier to draw on. Now we're going to decorate the body of our puppet. I'm going to make a blue bunny, and I'm going to give him a tank top. Remember when I said that the holes are where the shoulders are? Continue all the way around to the other side of the body. Maybe you're making an animal and it doesn't have clothes. Maybe it's a person with a special outfit. Maybe it's a dancer with a fun costume. I'm giving my rabbit a uniform. There's the waist where the end of the tank top is. I'm gonna add a little bit of details and color in as much as I want. Now you are the artist, so you make your own character the way that you want it to look. Now it's time to make the head and the paws. Set your scrap of paper next to the body, and this is going to help you know how big to make the head. Go ahead and draw the head on your paper and decorate it the way that you want it. I can use my straws to figure out how big to make the paws. Do you like my rhyme? When you're done drawing the head and the hands or the paws, get your scissors ready and let's cut out each piece individually. Now we have all of the pieces ready to assemble. Take your straws and slide it into the top of the teepee tube. Tuck the arms in, and this is the tricky part. Try to bend the straw into that hole. We're going to do the same thing on the other side. Get your arm And they do bend, so it's okay. Slide it through the other hole and voila! You can see it working now. The final part is to tape everything together. I like to turn over the head and the body and tape it flat to the other side. Tape it really well. We don't want this to fall off. Now it's time for the paws. Just one little piece of tape on each side will work. That was so fun. I'll see you next time.